So I'm having a bit of a problem. I've got two codes that are essentially identically the same, but I'm having issues. Here's the code that's not working. What's happening is the eyelids aren't closing completely. And on top of that, you can see the bottom eyelid kind of, it's late. It's lag, and then it tries to go a little bit further. I'm using a 16-channel servo controller, an Arduino Nano, the exact same two servos, and the same power supply. So it doesn't seem to make sense. Now, with this code and the different hardware, so again, it's still a 16-channel board. That's at 90 degrees. You can see that's open. Now I set it to 180, and oh look, the eye's actually closed. So with this hardware and code, it works. I don't understand it. I'm using the same code and the same kind of hardware, but it's not working. I'll put a link to my two codes below, but if anyone's got any ideas, that would be awesome. Thank you. Bye.